QuickBooks made setting up the payroll items here for bonus and taxable group term life very easy using the easy setup method. However, we need to edit these amounts and add some more information. So let's open the bonus item first. Here, let's click on Next. This is the GL account, or account in our chart of accounts list, where this amount will be charged to when we use it. Remember when we set up items in our items list and we assign a GL account to that? The same thing is happening here. We're assigning an account in our chart of accounts to this item. Payroll expenses makes sense for the bonus account, so let's leave that. Next, if this item is reported on tax forms, you need to specify how it is classified. QuickBooks automatically set it as compensation. That's correct. Next, QuickBooks recognized the bonus as compensation and so appropriately checked off all the payroll tax items. Next, this is not applicable. Here, our bonus is based on a percentage. So we want to put in 10% here. And there is no dollar limit, so we can leave this field blank. And click on Finish. Now we've finished setting up the bonus. Let's look at taxable group term life. Just double click on it, and that's a shortcut to opening up this item to edit it. Click on Next, and here we need to assign and tell QuickBooks a little bit more information about this item. We want to enter the name of agency which this liability is paid to. We pay this to Sargent Insurance. If we have an account number with Sargent Insurance, we would include it here. This way, it'll print in the memo field on our checks. Our account number with Sargent Insurance is 51269. Our liability account is charged every time we process a check. We withhold the amount for taxable group term life, and it gets charged to this payroll liability account. And finally, an expense account. Anytime we use this item, the amount attributable to the company would be charged here. Next, if this item is reported on tax forms, you need to specify how it is classified. Let's click on the down arrow, and we're set up as an S corporation, and so QuickBooks already assigned this properly for us. Next, group term, this is taxable group term life insurance. QuickBooks recognized that and checked off the appropriate taxes. Next, and this time there's a dollar amount for each time we process a payroll check. The dollar amount is $5. There is no maximum, so we leave this blank. And click on Finish. Now we have completed editing these two payroll items and we're ready to use them.